So I often get questions about the bioavailability of capsules versus lyophilized in your research. So I'm going to give you guys a brief breakdown of both of them. Now this is for informational purposes only. This is not medical advice, and always consult your doctor. The typical rule of thumb is lyophilized has higher bioavailability because it goes directly into the bloodstream and it doesn't have to be broken down by the digestive system. But that doesn't mean capsules are not a good choice in your research. So what you need to do is you need to figure out how many Daltons, or the molecular weight of each of the capsule compounds, are. So if you're considering researching with capsules, what you need to do is figure out what the compound's molecular weight in Daltons is. Now, a quick Google search could tell you that. So if the Daltons, or the molecular weight, is less than 500, that means it's going to have very high bioavailability. That means the body is going to utilize the majority of that compound. So if the molecular weight of the compound is between 501 and 2000, that would be considered good. That means you're going to get some bioavailability, probably not as much as you would like, but it might still be worth considering to do research with. So if the molecular weight in Daltons is over 2000, honestly, I wouldn't even bother wasting your time, wasting your money on that. You're not going to have very much bioavailability, maybe 10–15% at best. Now, here are a few examples of different compounds and what their molecular weight in Daltons is. For example, metformin. Metformin has a molecular weight of about 130 Daltons, which means it has a very high bioavailability. Next, we have 5-amino-1-MQ. 5-amino-1-MQ, again, is about 250, which is very good. It's well below that 500 threshold, so that means the bioavailability is very high. Another one that is well below the 500 mark is tesofensine. So again, tesofensine has a very high bioavailability. But then we have BPC-157. BPC-157's molecular weight in Daltons is approximately 1200. So that is well above the 500. It's in the good range, but you're probably not going to get as much as you would out of the lyophilized form. So again, if you're considering doing research with capsules versus lyophilized, just do a quick Google search, see what the molecular weight is. If it's under 500, you know the capsules are going to be great. If it's below 2000, you might want to consider, maybe lyophilized, probably a better choice. Could still possibly try the capsules, but if it's over 2000, don't even bother, in my opinion. So I hope this helps explain things a little bit, guys. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always happy to help.